Hey, it's Jonas, and first of all, I just want to once again say thank you so much for getting Lindgren's Lazy Method. And in this video, I want to give you a case study of one of the, so you probably saw the income proof on this one, which was $2,649.95. And I want to show you exactly what product I promoted and kind of how I made this amount of money. And this was a very competitive launch, so I actually spent roughly $16, I'll show you here, $15.75. And I'll show you the gig as well. And before you think, okay, so Jonas, do I need to use this on all of the launches on like Muncheye like this? No, I never do this anymore. I always just use the free method, which is taught here. If you go to how to rank your videos fast. But this launch in particular was very competitive, and the payout was really high as well. It was $750 in commissions per sale, and that's why I wanted to promote this one. So I figured, okay, well, I can spend $15. If it doesn't make many sales, that's fine. So here's what I did. So I bought a gig from this seller, and this gig in particular doesn't really matter which one. You can just pretty much go and write backlinks, and you will find some. I actually have a video about that as well. I think this was in the more evergreen. Actually, let me show you. If you go to bonus training and ranking for evergreen keywords, I'm going to show you more gigs that you can get. But this is what I decided to purchase back then. What I did was I clicked this one, proceed to order, and then I just put 3 of these so we can actually see how that looks. And I did this, and it was 15, and then it's going to be a $1 fee here. But that's what I did. And let's go back. So in short, yeah, I got this gig, and this is what I told the seller to do. So he's going to ask for keywords and your website URLs. So the only thing I did, I said, I gave him my video link, and then I asked him to send the backlinks to the anchor text at Inbox Blueprint 2.0 and Inbox Blueprint 2.0 review. And he did that, and I was ranked. So this is a long time ago. I got this one March 29th, 2016, which means that this is not a very current launch, and I'm actually not ranked for it right now. But the thing is, the launch is over, and yeah, I still made $2,649.95, which is pretty cool in my eyes. So that's what I did, and I actually did another thing as well. So I'll show you here. This was the JV page for it. And if we scroll down here, we're going to see, and this is not going to happen a lot of times. This was kind of a special case, I guess. But what they did here, they had a free book that they gave away. And if people bought that book, they were also upsold on the course, on this one, for $14.97, which means that I would get $750 per sale or something like that. I think earlier it was $700 or something, but they changed it. And yeah, so I decided to rank for this book. This book was called, I'll show you, The Circle of Profit. So I decided to rank for this book here, so The Circle of Profit review. And in this video, it's super short, it's 5 minutes and 42 seconds. I'm just going to show people a little bit about what the book was about. And this one got 3,069 views. And I sold quite a lot of books actually. And I'm not sure if the sales came from the book, like someone purchasing the book and then being upsold, or if all of the sales came from this one, this review. So this one was 6 minutes long, and truth to be told, when we're talking about this kind of product, like super high ticket stuff over $1,000, even over $100 typically, it's going to be very hard to get review copies, even for me, even though I've been doing this for a while. I would not get a review copy for a course like this. So what I did, I simply offered, let's go back, like a Skype coaching call, and people bought this. I think I got, like, I don't know what that is, 750, 1500, like 4 sales or something, like 3 or 4 sales. And the funny thing is, no one even asked me for this coaching. They purchased this, and that was it. They got the course, and they never even bothered with my coaching. I just thought I'd mention that as a funny thing. So some people don't really care about bonuses. They just want to hear about something like that you're legit somehow. And with that being said, I know you may not at this point have anything to offer as a big bonus, but just create like a nice looking bonus page and just do your best. I've had similar products like this when I only offered a couple bonuses, and it made me sales as well. So for example, there was one ecom launch in 2016, I think, that I got like 5 or 6 sales for $150 each or something. So it's not a ton, but I only offered normal bonuses then, and I still got sales. So that's pretty much the purpose of this whole video. So I just wanted to show you a little bit about high ticket stuff, and that works as well. So once again, just keep an eye on Muncheye, and especially on the left side is where you're going to see slightly higher priced products. So maybe something like this, $197. Here's something for $197, something for $297. And yeah, that's the whole purpose of this video. I just wanted to do a quick little case study here and show you that you definitely don't have to shy away from these kind of launches. And as I said, like if you can't get a review copy, it might still be worth to do a review, but in that case, just be honest. I think I actually told in Inbox Blueprint that I didn't have access to it. And I just said like, okay, so if you want to get the Inbox Blueprint, then you may as well buy it through my link because I'm going to give you some cool stuff as a bonus, and that seemed to work. But with that being said, try and get the product on for something like this, like a normal product price below $20. So try and get a copy before you review it. Obviously, I've gone through this in the main course. I'm not going to go through it again. But that's it with this little case study. So I hope you liked it. So once again, I just went to Fiverr, bought a gig here for $16. And nowadays, if I were to rank for something more higher competitive, I would do this, something like this. I'd spend maybe $10. I think. I don't think I would spend more. Maybe 15 if it was like a super big launch. I would do this in combination with my free method that you'll see here, how to rank your videos fast. That should get you ranked very high and fairly quickly as well, because these kind of links, they're going to take longer to kick in. So if you're going after a launch like this, let's say something for, it's July 3rd today. If you wanted to rank for this one that launches on August 9th, I would probably set up some kind of video at least 3 weeks before, and that way you will have time, these links will have time to kick in as well, which is something you're going to need. And yeah, that's it. I don't want to waste your time anymore, but I just want to show you that you can actually rank for high ticket launches as well and make money with it. So that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope you like this case study. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.